Pioneer is working with the City of Kingfisher to modernize communication and data collection for better performance and customer service. Pioneer is installing a complete fiber optic network communications platform. Kingfisher will now have real-time electric and water usage data for more instant and accurate customer contact and billing. All city utilities and services are connected to this wide area network. Pioneer will also monitor the system after installation and provide needs for possible service upgrades. Dave Slazicki, Kingfisher City Manager, talks about this great opportunity to work with Pioneer and the incredible benefit it has for employees and customers.
In the future, that's pretty much why I went with our fiber project. For what the future holds, we can't foresee everything, but we know that we need more bandwidth, we use more data, we have more software, and to be able to expand our capabilities to meet our future needs really drew us to this fiber option, as well as being able to tie in all of our facilities so that every city building and all of our employees can communicate with each other through the data. The process is going very well. I'm not very technical myself. Pioneer staff, they really reviewed everything, explained it to us, showed us our options, and the best part was they were able to help select all the material and the product and the equipment and the devices that we need. That saved us a lot of time. They were very technically knowledgeable of what we needed and what will work best for us. We've had a great team from Pioneer helping us. Kent Weems has really helped with a lot of the initial information and what we need to look over. On the technical side, Mark Sneed has really helped with all of our design and getting everything into our facilities. Andrew Land was very helpful in figuring the technical aspects of it, and Kenny Lunsford and a few other techs under Kent have really helped us pull this project off. We've had what I believe the D-Mark, where they bring it into the buildings, where they run the conduit and drill through the walls. That's been very easy for us to watch them do it. We haven't had to power anything up or power anything off. It hasn't interrupted our services, and they've worked around all of our staff and all of our facilities while accomplishing that. We're doing City Hall, the police station, the fire station, the power plant, the electric department, the water department. We'll also be doing the street department, the parks department, and running services over to the aquatic center through a peer-to-peer wireless network. I really think not just municipalities and other government services, but any business or operation that has multiple facilities. We started getting into this because of our automated metering project and the need to send data back and forth, and by doing that we realized the benefits of, instead of just hooking up 3 sites to this, of expanding that to 5 and then further expanding it to all of our city facilities that were still on a DSL connection. The meter reading is going to be a thing of the past. And with the AMIs, our customers will be able to log in and see their daily and hourly consumption on water and electric. The driving force behind that was providing better customer service, and then for outage management as well too. We'll know when the power is out and the last point that had power, so our customers won't have to call in and let us know they're out of power. We won't be driving around for 30 minutes or an hour looking to fix a 5-minute problem. We'll know where to go. It's going to enhance what the future holds and how far that technology is going to go. We just feel that we're going to be prepared for it whenever it comes. Currently, we still do. We manually read every meter 1 day a month. But with the automated metering, you'll be able to look in and see what you use daily or weekly or monthly or through any set time period. We think it's going to be a benefit to our residential and our commercial customers. If a commercial business is using as much electricity whenever they're closed at night as they are during the day, and they can figure out what they're using, that saves them money on their bill, and that saves us cost on our load. They'll also have leak detection and tampering detection, so sometimes right now people don't know they have a water leak until there's a big puddle or pond in their front yard. The technology in these new meters will be able to detect usage and drips, and we'll be able to notify our customers to contact a plumber before they have a huge bill to pay or a messy yard to clean up. It doesn't really impact the city employees. It'll give them more ease. I think it will assist with our utility billing and our customer service up here at City Hall, being able to walk customers through their consumption and their usage and let them see when they use more or less utilities than previously. Right now we read 1 day 1 month and 1 day the next month, and that's all that we can tell is those 2 points in time. Being able to go to a daily use and show customers that on a weekend they had more activity than any other time. Maybe they had family visiting, or the kids left the water hose on, or there is some occurrence like that that they can account for to explain their usage. Plus, customers that are budget-minded or trying to watch how much they're spending on utilities can get notifications at set increments that they choose. We have an IT specialist that's pretty much hardware and post-terminal, so going with this managed network service with Pioneer really helps us ensure that we have good equipment to communicate out with, and as well as to maintain those in the event that anything should happen and we have trouble communicating. With the WAN project increasing our bandwidth, we're also we off-site host some of our data for security and cybersecurity, so going to the WAN will give us more bandwidth to be able to access more data that we have off-site. So let us have better communications, and again, we see that in the future, that more of our recent software upgrades, we have less on our servers here and more on remote hosted sites, and we kind of think that's going to be the trend for the future, so the increase in the bandwidth should set us up for future operations as well.